Bam, bam. Take this guy out like this. Dock is right there. Bam, slide it in there. Click him down one time. Turn the ignition of the bike on. Hold it down while you ride. As soon as you turn the ignition off, come to daddy. Bam.
Here, do it again now.
Straight on out.
Do it again. Because you can't really see it from here.
Alright. Put this down. Bam. You good? Good. Give it one click. Turn the ignition on. Magnetically holds it down. Lift him up. Ride. Turn the key off. Bam. Take it off. Get off the bike. Go about your business.